Hey everyone, today I'm going to do something I've never done before. I'm giving you a full walkthrough, and I will expose every detail and behind the scenes of my DIY monster labyrinth made from mostly recycled material and old pallets. This isn't just a simple scare. This is a tradition we've been building for years. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how we pull off Denmark's scariest private maze. Let's get started, with real reactions and real jump scares from inside the maze.
Nej, der står en der!
This is a crucial secret. The labyrinth corridors are narrow, so you can't walk side by side. This creates a unique tension, especially for the person chosen to go first. They are alone, vulnerable, and the next scare is always on them. Another simple trick. I've stacked some pallets so the extras stand a bit higher, which also has an effect. It makes them seem instantly larger and more imposing when they jump out. Our costumes are super simple, only masks and often black clothes. Trust me, it works super well. We use fabric that can be quickly pulled aside to jump out and scare the audience. Simple, fast, terrifying. My journey started over a decade ago. I started celebrating this in our garden in 2010. But the best trick we have isn't inside the maze, it's outside. It all starts with the psychological game. We have a powerful tradition. Every year we make a spooky Halloween invitation video and invite people from our local area. Meet my friend, Henrik. My friend Henrik is always the creepy villain in the film. On Halloween night, he is always ready in front of the labyrinth. The secret sauce? When people have seen the video and then meet him in real life. Many don't dare to enter right away. That pre-scare psychological effect is huge. So there you have it, the full breakdown of our haunted house maze. No big budget, no fancy props, just DIY materials, simple costumes, smart hiding spots, and one dedicated villain who always knows when to strike. If you enjoyed seeing how it all really works, the hidden rooms, the setups, and the jump scares inside the maze, hit that like button. It helps more than you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.